Hey guys, this is Pot Spice and I'm here to do this week's edition of Two Crafters, One Designs hashtag, where they have the color green as this week's prompt, and it's also going to go into hashtag That Morn Makes, which is hosted by Jill. And so let's go ahead and get started, ladies and gents. Okay, so first of all, I used some Stamps of Life stuff. Yay! I think it's the first card kit I've ever used, even though I have it. So you get a card kit. It has this envelope in it with all the, or storage envelope. It's got all these little goodies and so forth. It has some envelopes, papers, a die set. And here's the die set that says Keep Blooming. Now, we don't have this cherish word in here, but I have this die set that says Keep On Blooming. And it came with a paper pad. So I'm going to show that. So here's the die set with all these frames. And then here's the words that say Keep On Blooming that go with that kit. And then let me make sure I got the right paper pad for this one. And then this paper pad. So the Keep On Blooming collection. And so you can guess I used greens. So I actually used a few pages out of here. So we did that. Then I pulled another kit because I wanted another paper that they had in this one. So I pulled out this kit, which is a one-of-a-kind collection where they had potato chips and all that kind of stuff. Now, y'all know that is not my thing, but so don't like that. But the back is not bad. So I ended up using some of those items. Like I think I used this one, and I'll do like the front of that one, but I used the back and maybe this brown one. I can't remember. I'll show you. But anyway, so I used that from this kit. And so I'll put that right in here. Now, I did not use this die. This die was Happy B-Day, but I didn't use that one. Maybe I should use that next. I do have some birthday cards, but I kind of wanted to make more elegant ones instead of that, so maybe not. But I did pull that out of that kit. Then I pulled these stamps from Diamond Press. I do not remember which kit it came from, but I used whatever tomorrow brings. I used stuff out of this Honey Bee stamp set. Buzzworthy words. This one and that one. Then, so let me put that right back with the verbiage. And then I used this die. I used leaves from this die, which is, it's either, I want to say it's a tattered lace set because of the type of dies it is. And then I used these flowers. So that will go back in there, little section. And yeah, so I used 2 envelopes because each of those card kits comes with envelopes. So I just took 2 of them out. I didn't decorate them, I just took them out. And then I made this card. So, oh, look how cute that is. So it says Keep On Blooming, and then you can see green, 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 green. I love that polka dot. And here's just another tip. Mix your patterns, okay? These 2 greens in here do not match exactly because they came from different packs, but they look good together. These flowers look good with these polka dots because you have dots in the center, right? Okay, so mix up your patterns. You don't have to stay with the same kind. And then I used a darker green so that it would pop. And then I made this little flower using those dies from Tattered Lace and the little leaves. And then on the inside is where I stamped Keep On Blooming, whatever tomorrow brings. Consider this a paper hug. How cute is that? And this is an A1 size and not an A2 size. So I think they called it like invitation size, but it is so cute. Look at that. So then I made another one, and oh, I don't know, green. So it says Keep On Blooming, and then you can see where I did the multiple layers. And so the greens are different greens. And I made flowers. Oh, I forgot I did use these Nuvo drops. Okay, it is funny because I have a lot of these Nuvo drops from Tonic, and this little red one right here has been getting used like a mug in consideration, you know, in comparison to the other ones. So this one says keep on blooming, and I love these flowers. I mixed them up. See that? Once again, mix up your papers. You don't have to be conventional. And then on the inside, it says the same thing, and then I put another flower here. And now that this is dried open, I can go ahead and put the one on the inside. So you can see how that works. Just stick it on there and it goes. Another cool thing about these is these are much cheaper than buying enamel dots, because I don't know how many come out of here, but it's way more than you would get on an enamel dot sheet. So yeah. So you see that, and it'll level itself out. So that is my submission to Two Crafter One Design, and also Sapmore Makes with their green theme. And go check out the other ladies. Go check out Mo, You See Why I'm a Diva, and Dagnabbit, I'm forgetting the last one. Girlia's cards. And then, of course, you guys, chill. So see you guys later. Be safe out there, and come back later.